Hello everyone and welcome to another upload on my YouTube channel. It's full steam ahead. Yes, that's a slight hint to what's to come. I'm J Stebbeds and here is another update. Okay, as mentioned, I'm J Stebbeds, owner at J Stebbeds Studio 1, formerly Model Workshop and formerly before that just a shed. Right, I'm going off on a tangent. Okay, happy birthday! This year we celebrate 100 years of Hornby Model Railways. For this year I will be doing many videos the whole year, about 2 a month, maybe more, who knows? It's full steam ahead, it'll always pick up pace. It's a great opportunity to look back at past history and do lots more modelling. Good excuse. Okay, all this love for model railways came about for 3 reasons. My granddad, Great Eastern Model Railways, and Hornby. Okay, within this series of videos I'll be researching Hornby, showing you brand new content, our past stuff, our shared model railway layout with my granddad, Sprowston Junction, and the Hornby 2020 100 year range. Yes, just for this year they are producing loads of other special little things, just to celebrate their own things. We'll see. Lots of reviews coming up. Hey, here's a few photographs from the archives of Sprowston Junction. They're from many years ago, so I look a lot younger, and a bit weirder. Enjoy. Okay, want to get your hands on 100th Hornby Railway products this year as well as me? Well, you can do just that by going local. Support local railways and shops. Here we go. Support Great Eastern Model Railway Shop in Norwich. They can do back orders, pre-orders, everything. They're friendly. Enjoy. There will be a link in the description. Wherever the description is, somewhere. Find it. Okay, that's all for this video folks. Much more model railway news coming soon.